What is going on YouTube? AVI back with another video, and if you saw the title, we're going to be doing a seafoam motor treatment to my 2003 Mitsubishi Eclipse. This car has been needing some good treatment, so I figured I'd treat it with some good old seafoam. Heard a lot of good things about it. Chris Fix made a video on it, showed good results, and I've actually used this on my Subaru before, but in this video we're going to do it on the Eclipse. And I have the high mileage seafoam. This is supposed to go in your gas tank and your oil crankcase, and then I got this one that's supposed to go in the throttle body and just clean out all the internals, all the carbon deposits. So I never really did any good old treatment to my Eclipse, so let's start off today with this in this nice hot sunny day. Let's get started. All right, so I like to start with the harder stuff first, so then I can end up doing the easy stuff at the end. That seems pretty good to me, but we're gonna start with this one. It's harder just in the fact that you have to remove the intake and just get access to the throttle body right here. So you guys can see, at least for this car, the Eclipse, here's the throttle body, and you can actually rev the engine with this little lever. So I'm going to be connecting this hose into there and revving it to around 2000 RPM and spray the foam. All right, the engine's on. This is the setup I have going. I'll show you guys up close. You can see that black hose, that black plastic piece is in the throttle body, covered by the rubber hose. And I'm gonna connect my seafoam in here and just start spraying. It's gonna take like 7 minutes. Let's see, I never really tested this out. I'm gonna start to rev it. We know how that works. So yeah, unfortunately, sorry engine, you're gonna be running for 7 minutes around 2000 RPM, and we'll get this seafoam going. All right, so that took forever. That hurts my fingers a lot. And actually the can, it's still kind of full, but it didn't continue spraying, so I figured I was done with it. It's like very low on fluid, you can tell by the weight. But now we're gonna do the easy part. I have this stuff open. It's the high mileage part, just because mine is around 130,000 miles, and you know that probably works better. So we're gonna start with putting it in the oil or the crankcase, and this car takes about 4.5 quarts, so I'm gonna put 4 ounces of this stuff, and it should be good. And then it says eventually, like, you want to get a oil change within 300 miles, so that's what I'm gonna plan to do. So yeah, let's just do it. All right, and I got this fancy funnel that measures in ounces. That's around 4 ounces. And we're gonna drop it right in here. I should say that we're allowing the car to heat soak for 10 minutes after that throttle body one. So yeah, and then we'll go for a spirited drive. All right, and I'm at half a tank, so that's around 6.5 gallons, 7. I have a 12.5 gallon fuel tank. So I got around 6 over here. It's okay if it's a little more. It says 1 ounce per gallon, or you can do 2 ounces depending on how good you want this stuff to work. But here, it's 6 ounces going in here. All right, and now let's go for a drive. Now the instructions say spirited driving, so you can really smell it coming from the exhaust. All right, so this is, oh yeah, you can smell it. It's working something. All right, this is gonna be a little tricky because it's a manual, but let's see what I could do. All right, just gotta wait for some traffic. And maybe I could go right instead. All right, smoking a lot, as you can see. It's kind of scary. Yeah, that's a lot of smoke. Some people are gonna think I need maintenance or something. turn right here. All right, let's do a little bit more. It's kind of hard to put down gas. It's like burping. Wow. That's the only time when you see white smoke, that's the only time it's good. But yeah, that was it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna keep going, do some spirited driving. Hopefully this helped. Yeah, like the video, subscribe. More videos to come about the Eclipse. And just like that, AVI out.